Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the NFS Unbound error code 400500000. The error reads, "You need to be signed into EA servers to access the online features of this game. Please check your internet connection." As per our research, the error comes when players try to access the game's online features. Some users have shared that they get the error right after launching the game and pressing enter on the welcome screen. The game tries to connect to EA servers but fails and shows this error. In some cases, users have also reported issues with item synchronization and are unable to go online. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network-related issues. It could be a poor connection, firewall restrictions, or any conflict between your system settings and the game. The first thing you should do is to switch to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. Wired connections are more stable. Also, unplug the power from your router and console for around 2 minutes. Then turn everything back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try running the game as an administrator. Simply right-click on the game icon and select Run as Administrator. Once done, check for the error again. Another fix that helped some users is adjusting the firewall settings. So, try changing the network profile from public to private in your firewall settings. If that doesn't help, then disable your firewall temporarily and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try connecting to an alternate network. It can be another Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Then check if this resolves the issue. If nothing works, then you should reach out to EA support. Simply contact the EA support team and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.